Hi guys, welcome to today's session. Okay, let's quickly dive into what we have for ourselves. Okay, so the question goes thus: a principal of $5,600 was deposited for 3 years at compound interest. If the interest earned was $1,200, find, correct to three significant figures, the interest rate per annum. Okay, um, so So what do we have here? Okay, for us to be able to do this, we have to present ourselves with a what? With a formula which we can use. So uh, we have A equals to P bracket 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n. Okay, so this is the formula we are going to what? We are going to use to be able to what? To solve this question. Okay, so let's define all what we have here. A is the what? Is the amount. Then P is the principal. Is the principal. Okay. R is the interest rate. R is the interest rate, and the N is the what? Is the number of of years. Okay, so since we've been able to get what we have here, so looking at what we have here, looking at the question, the principal of what? $5,600, which means we have the principal, which is this. Then we have the number of years, which is n, and we have the, what do we have there again? Okay, I think then the interest rates, we have the interest rates, but we might not need the interest rates considering looking at what we have here. Okay, this A now, which is the amount. So how do we get the amount? For us to be able to get the amount is equal to what? The principal plus interest. That's the formula for finding the amount of what? Of a value. The principal plus what? Plus the interest end. Okay, so for us to be able to get the amount, so looking at what we have here, let's put down our values. So the principal is $5,600, and the number of years is 3 years, which is what we can say is the time. Okay, the interest end is what? $1,200. So the amount end will be what? Principal, which is $5,600, plus the interest end, which is what? $1,200. So that will give us what? When you add this and this together, that will be giving us what? $6,800. So since we are able to get this, so our rate is what we are looking for. The rate is what we are looking for. So let's let's substitute our values, the values we have there, into what? Into this equation. So if you've gotten value from up to this level, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share it to your younger ones, share it to your friends, so that they too can what? They can learn from it. And don't forget to what? To subscribe. Okay, so since we are able to generate our values up to this level, let's now input what we have here. So let's rewrite the formula. Amount equals to principal bracket what? 1 plus what? R over 100 raised to power n. So what's our amount? Our amount is 6,800. equals to the principal, which is what, 5,600, 1 plus rates, which we don't know, r, which is r, over what, over 100 raised to power what, what's the n, which is 3. Okay, so what do we do here? So let's take this, let's divide this both side here by this value. So which means when you divide, so it will be having, you'll be having 6,800 divided by what, 5,600 equal to 1 plus r over 100 raised to power 3. Okay, so let's divide this. Let's punch our calculator. So punching our calculator, we have 6,800 divided by 1,5,600. So that is giving us so this is giving us 1.214, okay, equal to, so what we have here, 1 plus rates over 100 raised to power 3. Okay, so since we are able to get here, so what do we do? This value here, let's look for a way to what, to take it away. So we'll do what, we will do the cube root. That's for us to be able to take it away. We'll do the cube root to what, to both sides. So we do the cube root to both sides. So what do we have? So what are we going to get from there? So let's see what we will get from there. So if we do the cube root to both sides, so that will mean we'll be having cube root of 1.214, so we have it here, equal to cube root of 1 plus r over 100 raised to power 3. So this is what you will have at the end of the day. So this cube will cancel what, the cube root. So we look for the cube root of 1.214. Let's punch our calculator again. So let's punch our calculator again. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the cube root of this is I'm having 1.067, let's put it that way, equal to what, 1 plus r over 100. So because this has already been cancelled out, so what do we do? Let's take this to this point. So we'll be having 1.067 minus 1 equal to what, r over 100. So if we subtract this with this, I'll be having 0.067, okay, equal to r over 100. Okay, all right, so what do we do? Let's cross multiply. So r equal to 0.067 times 100. So that will be giving me, so times 100, so times 100, I'll be having 6.70%. So it means that's in 3 significant figures. This is my value of for the rates that what we had to look for. So this is the rate of what, in the interest rate of what, of that compound interest, and the values that what, that was invested in what, into the business. Okay, so don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.